Naiisip mo ba na magkaroon ka tinatawag na unlimited income? Naiisip mo rin ba na sana dumating ang panahon na kahit di ka magtrabaho, may pumapasok pa rin sa ATM mo kada buwan? Wow! Kung yan naiisip mo, naiisip ko rin yan. No, seriously guys, alam mo sa video na ito, pag-usapan po natin na 6 mental tricks to have more money. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano po yan, tune in. Don't tune out.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Ching Kitan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa channel na ito. I help people to become wealthy and debt-free, and every 12 noon Manila time, we release one video every single day. That's the reason why, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Sama nyo na pating all. Pag may mga bagong videos, mapapanood nyo po kaagad. First, we would just like to thank our good friends.
Vitastin. Take your daily dose of vitamins made from mangosteen to keep ourselves healthy. Vitastin, Vitality, and Mangosteen. Available in all leading drugstores nationwide.
Okay, sabi po ng mga karamihan ng mga tao at kung ano daw iniisip po, yan po ay magkakatotoo. Diba? Meron tayong tinatawag na positive thinking. Diba? If you always think positive daw, good things daw will happen to you and to me. And I do believe in that because what you think is who will you become, di ba? Kaya tatanungin mo sa sarili mo, ano ba yung parating mong iniisip sa mga mindset mo? Ito ba ay good or bad? Ikaw ba ay negative or positive? Okay, sana maging positive sa ating mindset. Wag lang tayo maging positive sa COVID. Okay? So right now, ito pong isi-share ko po sa inyo, ang 6 mental tricks na ginawa ko, na ginamit ko, sarili ko, for me to have more money. Isi-share ko po sa inyo, i-disclose ko po sa inyo ang aking sikreto. So, in order for you to have more money, trick number 1, parati iniisip ko ganito. I always think that I am starting. Yan parati iniisip ko, I always think that I am starting. Yung parang, di ba, nung naalala nyo pa ba? Ako naalala ko talaga nung nag-uumpisa pa talaga ako, I was really hungry for success. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Wala akong pinipiling trabaho, wala akong pinipili talaga. Basta pwedeng pagkakitaan, pasok. I try to learn it. So, and I hope, di ba? I hope. Guys, listen. Imagine mo if you have that tenacity. Di ba? Walang talaga makakapigil sa'yo. Ang gabi, ginagawa mo umaga. Ang umaga, ginagawa mo gabi. Di ba? Naghahanap ka talaga ng earning income or earning opportunity. And I was just like that. That's the reason why that was when I was 12 years old. Ang good news, hanggang ngayon po. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ako mag-isip. Ako hindi ko iniisip na, wow, may na-achieve na ako. Hindi ko iniisip na, yun nga, may nakakilala na sa akin, sikat na ako, meron na akong naipon. Hindi ko iniisip yun. Kaya nga, minsan nga may yung staff ko sa mga speaking engagements, every time when I go out, hindi mawawala na may magpapa-photo op at may magpapa-autograph po sa akin. Hindi po nawawala. Hindi po ako nagmamalaki. Lalo na sa mga taong hindi po nakakilala ako, hindi po ako nagmamalaki dahil po maliit po ako. 5'5" lang po ako. Well, yun nga, pag lumalapit sinasabi, sir, ang dami na nakakilala sa'yo. Alam mo sinasabi ko, we cannot think like that. Pag iniisip po natin na kilala na tayo, tapos na tayo. The moment that you say that you are already ripe, di ba? Hinog ka na. Anong magiging next stage? You will be rotten. That's the reason why ang parating iniisip ko na nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. Kahit na min-achieve na ako, I always think in my mind that I'm starting. Number 2, okay, ano kailangan mo isipin para to trick your mind in order for you to have more money? I always think that I don't have money. Parati kong iniisip yan. Alam mo paano ko tinitrick ang sarili ko? Meron po akong separate bank accounts. O meron ako sa company, meron ako sa personal, meron ako sa investment, tapos meron akong pang-apat na account. 4 po yung bank account ko. Yung pang-4 na account ko, yan ang pinakamaliit na account. I keep a separate bank account that is not yung nakikita ko talaga sobrang liit. So fina-funnel ko sa lahat at 3 account. Itong 3 account ko, hindi na withdrawable yan, untouchable na. Ang natatouch ko lang yung maliit na account. So every time pag tinitignan ko, parang feeling ko wala akong pera. So ano nangyayari? Lalo ako nagiging driven. Kasi ito yung problema. Pag nakita mo na meron ka ng ipon, you get complacent. You stay at what we call as your comfort zone. Ay, may pera naman ako eh. No. You keep yourself hungry and then you trick your mind that you don't have money. That's what I do. Number 3, mind trick. How do I trick my mind in order for me to have more money? I always think that saving money is a top priority. Yes. Alam mo, yun po yung kagandahan eh. Parang para sa akin talaga, ang savings ay importante before spending. I cannot spend before I save. In other words, sweldo, ipon, gastos. Diba? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, para sa akin, earning money is a sign that you are doing well in life. But, hindi yun. Ang importante, it's not how much money you make. Ang importante is how much money you keep, you save. Diba? Ang importante po talaga sa atin ngayon, tatanungin ko hindi yung ano na nabili mo. Alam mo, tatanong ko, magkano na ipon mo? May emergency fund ka ba? Meron ka na bang naiipon para sa bahay mo, sa sasakyan mo, para sa future mo? Yun po. Saving should be a top priority. Alam mo, I feel bad pag nakikita kong bumababa ang savings ko. I feel excited pag tumataas ang savings ko. Number 4 trick that I trick my mind in order for me to have more money. For me, I always think that opportunity is a game. Para sa akin, to create businesses, to create ideas, laro to. When I say laro, hindi ko nilalaro. Ang ibig ko sabihin, I find pleasure, I find enjoyment pag nakaka-create ako ng bagong ideas na nagwo-work siya. Alam mo, especially pag ako, I'm a very competitive person. I'm a very driven person. I hate losing. I want to win. I have a competitive spirit. Di ba? So, I just want to challenge you also. Guys, I hope that you will also be like that. Yung gigil ka ba? Alam mo yung nakakainis na matalo eh. Di ba? Natatandaan mo nung tayo ay naglalaro sa kalsada pa. Nako, may kalsada pa before. Di ba? Patintero, touch taya. Di ba? Tagumpong, tanching. Di ba? Gusto natin, we want always to win. And likewise, alam mo kung ganun ka mag-isip right now, gusto mo mag-create ng new opportunity, new businesses, it's not about the money. It's really you. The desire to win. The desire that you can really make it. The desire that you have what it takes for you to become successful again. Wow! Sana naman na marami na kayo natutunan dito. Grabe ba? Alam nyo, ito lang friends, kung nagugustuhan nyo itong kinikwento ko, yung sikreto ko talaga right now, I want you to like this video. I-like nyo naman tong video na ito. Kasi napakahalaga na nilalike nyo tong video na ito para tumaas po ang ating yung ating algorithm sa YouTube. Let's go to number 5 trick that I always trick myself in order for me to have more money. I always think that money is a result of solving problems. Alam mo, para sa akin, gusto mo talagang guminhawa ang buhay mo, dumami pa ang pera mo, maghanap ka ng problema at mag-offer ka ng solution. The bigger the problem, the bigger the solution, the bigger the income. Totoo yun. You solve a big problem, you will make a big income. Tama? So, kaya nga, tayo po, wag po tayong umiwas sa problema. Kung may problema, mag-isip tayo ng solusyon. May problema ngayong COVID, hirap na hirap ng tao. Diba? What if, kung makahanap ka ng opportunity that you can give an income opportunity sa mga taong nawawalan ng work? Diba? Maganda yun. Diba? O what if you can create an online platform that allows people to shop? Diba? Marami na mga entrepreneurs right now na hindi alam paano magbenta ng online. So you create an online platform that they can transact, that they can collect money, that they can also get delivery. All in one na. So if you create that platform, people will buy and subscribe and you will make money. So nagigets nyo ba? Para sa akin talaga, yun ang iniisip ko. Ano yung problema ngayon? Naghahanap ako ng sakit ng ulo. Bakit po? Kasi nag-offer ako ng solution. Pag may solution, may pera. At syempre naman, bago tayo pumunta sa last, syempre makakalimutan ba natin ang ating mga friendship na nagpapa-shoutout katulad ni Sajol Squad, si Grace Valero, at syempre naman si Ephraim Militar. Shoutout naman po. Sana ma-shout ako. Shoutout. Ephraim! Shoutout. Ephraim Militar! Sumuko ka na! Okay, ano po yung 6 mental tricks na ginagamit ko po para talagang magkaroon ako ng mas marami pang kita? Number 1, iniisip ko parati, nag-umpisa ako, iniisip ko na talagang wala akong pera, iniisip ko na talagang ang savings talaga is a priority, natutuwa ako pag may savings, nalulungkot ako pag wala. Number 4, para sa akin, ang kita, opportunity is a game. Number 5, gusto ko magkaroon ng kita, maghanap ko ng problema. And last but not the least, you know what I always think? I always think, for me, honestly, look at me. setting up a business is a ministry for me. Ha? Ba't naging ministry? Kasi ito ito yung na-discover ko in my 46 years of doing business and in sales, na talagang it's all about helping a specific group of people na may needs, na may problema. And yun naman talagang desire ko I really want to help people. Ay, ba't ko ba inumpisahan tong channel na ito? Because I want to help people to become wealthy and debt-free. I want to help people who were just like me, na talagang dating walang-wala, nag-struggle, wala naman nagturo. Yeah, that's the reason why I was able to make it. And then when I made it, parang sinasabi ko, sana it's about time naman na may magturo naman sa mga taong katulad ko. That's the reason why I took the challenge to start my Facebook channel, my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel. And right now, I wrote 14 books already, and I want to help people to become wealthy and debt-free. Guys, I hope that you like this. Please like this video. I-like nyo lang tong video na ito para tumaas ang algorithm natin sa YouTube. And share this video with other of your friends. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Check positive. Bye.
Vitastin. Take your daily dose of vitamins made from mangosteen to keep ourselves healthy. Vitastin, Vitality, and Mangosteen. Available in all leading drugstores nationwide.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.